Oh, frig yeah, dudes. Hey? Frig yeah. What do we got? What happened? Poor Sheldy's a terrible piss dog, so he's got to go in his cage if he's by himself, or, you know, the dogs are on their own. The other two don't piss on stuff terrible, but he's got a wanker, so he ends up having to go in his cage. But I don't really like, you know, putting him in there if I don't have to, so we'll hang out for as long as we can today. I do got to play traptor a little bit. What do you think, buddy? Are you a shop dog? Are you shop dog? But we got a couple issues. I do have the parts for my transmission. Check this out. Those are the guys. I'll show it you here. I'll show you the issue. You can saw it. I don't know if you can saw it. Yeah, you can sort of saw the reflection of the ridge pattern on that. Wore out, no good. So these ones, steel, and you can saw the inside. There's, you know, smooth, not all chowdered. So we should have all that. But I gone done dackered my finger. I got a purple spot, and I just chowdered my knuckle off. I should have done something about it the day that I did it, but I was like being a hero and didn't put a band. I mean, I didn't have the proper bandage or whatever, so it's like, now I got this kind where it's like, you know, it still hurts terrible. Sheldon, don't go too far. But yeah, my finger hurts really bad, and there's like some really stiff ringolos on this. So I'm gonna just try to give my finger another day or two to, you know, just not hurt quite as bad when we're trying to stab this thing together. Plus, all next week is gonna rain. I got tons of shit to do outside, and yeah, so I think I'm gonna do outside shit today. We'll try to get some stuff figured out. And next week we're gonna get this transmission rebuilt, boys. Grumman got really hard, so I quit. But you know, once the weather got nice and different things. Plus, tomorrow I got undercoat, so I gotta set all this shit up, make sure it all works good and stuff. So that's that situation there too. But still quite a bit to do on the Grumman, you know. But I'm kind of stuck because, you know, I can't make the exhaust until the engine is like, you know, sitting where it's sitting, right? Like I put it on a jack when I took the transmission out, but the jack settles and this and that, and I've moved it and blah blah blah, and you can see there's like, you know, this is touching there, and that wasn't touching there when the transmission was friggin' in there, right? So we got to get the engine, get the transmission in there, get the engine sitting where it's sitting, and then we can sort of proceed. So the transmission's what's holding us up. Buddy, don't piss. Don't try not to piss on stuff. We're gonna go outside and dick around, and you can piss all over the place big time. But anyways, yeah, so that's a little update on the Grumman there. I did totally quit it because it got hard, but only because of different activities that need to be done. Come on, buddy. Come on. Yeah, yeah. He is terrible good. You can't really see him because he's in the shadow, but he'll stick right by you. The other two don't at all. Sheldon? 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 What happened? You almost got me in some serious trouble, mister. Holy shit. Friggin' turned around for 2 seconds and he's frigged off under the red dragoon, and then won't come when I call him, so holy shit, don't do that again. Idiot! But anyways, just clearing a spot there for my whatsits. Get a couple of my whatsits out of the way, you know what I mean? A couple of my whoosits, a couple of my whatsits. 3 of them, 4 of those. Sheldon, get over here. Sheldon, come. You're gonna get me in trouble. You wanna go get your cage? Is that what you want? I don't want to put you in your cage, but Bud. Probably, you know what I mean? Oh, we got some crazy intercooler pipings that I might be able to utilize. Look at him, he's like waiting for me to stop paying attention so we can take off. Come stand over here, buddy. Just pissed absolutely all down the front of myself. That's Andy. Yeah, right into my underwards. Perfect. Sheldon? Sheldon? Hey, get over here. Look at him, he was just running away. Sheldon? Come here right now. Okay, that's it. Look at him. Running away. Sheldon? Must be too hot. Gotta go in. Maybe that's what he's doing here. Too hot. I quit. I go sit in the cage by myself, poop in the bed. Had enough outside? You're not an outside shop dog? Good Lord. Maybe you're thirsty? You need a drink? You need a drink? Come on. Get a drink. Get a drink. Sheldy. Just needed a little refreshment. Possibly. You thirsty? You thirsty dog? Okay, come on. You're stressing me out. I know, buddy. Boys, I'm a real tractorsman. I loaded 2 trailers with the excavator. I did. Oh, let me know how I did, boys. I'd like to hear about the time when you first loaded a trailer with an excavator. Because I'm sure you got a lot to say. Robin? Well, she's a little quicker of a load than this one. This tractor's a little faster. I'm a little more aggressive with it though. Like you can tell. Good lord. There's some good tractor fossils in here. Well, we got some shit cleaned up, boys. Moved some stuff, trailers, dirt, do things. Still gotta try to freaking you know, smooth this out a bit. But once we move some trailers and different things, we'll just rake that all out, and it'll be all friggin' lickety splips. Yeah. I gotta get this cleaned up though, because like it's stressing me out, and friggin' I don't like it, and I need more room for more tractors and different things. So I want to make like a sandblasting station over there with like a bunch of box trucks and stuff. It'll be awesome. It's like this idea that I have. But yeah, close up the shipping container and friggin' smoke cigarettes.